welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be opening the December Boxycharm. So this is actually the Boxyluxe box. So it is my $25 monthly rate plus an extra $24.99. And I believe it's supposed to contain over $300 worth of items. This is my favorite box to get, but going into the new year, I don't know, I might just cancel all my boxes. I've canceled Glossy Box, but we'll see. So let's get inside and see what we got. Alright, so first we'll grab the card, and this will tell us everything that's in our box and how much it's valued at. It's also upside down. And the theme this month is Winter Luxe. So that is everything we're getting, but we won't look at that yet. And we will remove this and then grab our first thing. So I'm not wearing glasses, so I can't tell what anything is. So let's pick this big white thing. What is this? Oh, it's from OFRA. I don't have anything from this brand. So this is On the Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. I feel like in the last one we got a big contour palette, so that might be a little bit of overkill. But I'm giving that one away, so we'll see what this one looks like. So this is the ultimate tool for creating a bronzed glow. So it's got some highlighters and some bronzers. Oh, it's very pretty. So it's got a really nice size mirror. And then it says glow like you mean it. And then those are the color. I mean, it's beautiful. Packaging for sure. Like, look at this one. That's crazy pretty. I might keep this. You know, you can always use more highlighters. Probably this one would be the shade I really like, and then you can mix all of those together. It's really pretty, like, looking, and it feels very good quality. And I always see good things about OFRA, so I might actually keep this. So that is the first thing. Alright, next up, let's grab this big box. What is this? So this is from Kat Berkey, I think. I've never heard of this brand. Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Powered by Nutritional Silence. I love a good, I don't know why, I love vitamin C face products. I don't know if they do anything extra, but I love the smell, especially when it smells like oranges. And they always feel very luxe to me. So this comes in a really nice jar, and we do get 1.7 ounces or 50 mils of product. And, it does smell like oranges, and it just looks like a really nice thick face cream. Love a good face. I love skincare. I mean, I don't get as excited to get them in boxes, but it's always something that you need, especially when you start getting a bit older. It feels very, very luxe. I'm getting notifications my family is in a group chat right now, and they're messaging about something. It's a little distracting, guys. So that is the second thing we have received. I say item too much, so I'm trying to find other words for that. I need a thesaurus. All right, next up, what's this squeezy tube? Oh, it's from Pharmacy, another great skincare brand that I like, and it is the Honeymoon Glow Body Resurfacing Serum with Honey and Prickly Pear. I have the Honeymoon Night serum of this, but I think it's practically empty, so I'm glad to get this product. So it resurfaces and hydrates, your body. Oh, well, I don't have one of those. It softens rough skin and helps eliminate bumps with 10% lactic acid and 2% BHA. Very nice. Yeah. I do like when you get stuff for your hands and your body as well, because I do have an abundance of face skincare, but not a lot of body skincare. Like that. Then next, what's this? It's got the Eiffel Tower on it. No, it doesn't. That's how bad my eyes are. I thought that was the Eiffel Tower. It's an A. So this is from Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. And is it a sheet? No. Okay. So you're definitely going to get more than one use out of that baby. It is 65 mils or 2.19 fluid ounces of product. So you squeeze onto your fingers or onto a brush or applicator. Evenly apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin, being careful to avoid eyes. Leave for 20-30 minutes. Oh, and you peel off from the edges. There's something so satisfying about a peel-off mask. So I will love that, I'm sure. All right, we're getting down to it. What's this? Feels like a brush. Probably is a brush. So this is from Persona. Oh, it's an eyeliner. 24-hour waterproof. Okay, so love eyeliner. Have a ton of them. So I'll show you what this one looks like, but I might pass it along because it is just a black eyeliner. And that is what the tip looks like. I don't wear a lot of eyeliner. So I'm probably going to pass this along. Not there's anything wrong with it. I just don't want it to go to waste. So that is that. Looks like we might have 3 things left. What is this? Feels like a mascara, but I'm probably wrong. So it is from Pure Cosmetics, and it is, oh, it is a mascara. Fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. What is that? It's in the shade black, sorry. Oh, it's all taped up shut. Trying to get into it. Magnetic, eh? It's a nice size. So it's fully charged. It is 0.44 fluid ounces or 13 mils, I think. The writing is so tiny. Let's see what the wand looks like. Fully charged mascara powered by magnet. I wish I wasn't wearing mascara right now. So it's got a nice wand. I mean, could we try it on my mascara I have on already? I mean, it's not really. No, it's already dried. No. Well, I'm interested to try that out, though. Mascara is something I do need more often than I need eyeliner, so definitely will be trying this. Okay, 2 things left. I'm going to leave this big thing for last. So what is this? So this is from Viseart, another brand that I've heard great things about, but I don't actually own anything. And this is the Seamless Setting Powder. Look at setting powder. So that is the product. It's just a white setting powder. And we have got 0.28 ounces or 8 grams of product. Look at that hollow space though. Why do you suppose? Oh, I guess that makes sense because then you can fill this well up with your product. And then the lid is actually fits inside there so it doesn't go everywhere. So I guess that's okay. It's a large jar. You only get, actually it's not even full. You see that? Anyway, no negativity. No negativity. All right, what is this last thing we have? Brushes? So it's from, I don't know if it's La Roos or LA Roos. What is it? What is this? I'm going to guess it's brushes. It doesn't open. Hey, babe? Yeah? Can you come open something for me? Yeah. Thank you. I got it myself. It is brushes. It's a really nice set. I got it, my love. Thank you. So we have got 5 brushes. Look at the texture of the handle. That's pretty cool. Oops. As I drop it on the floor. Excuse me. Pardon me. Look at my mess behind me. So it's got a nice textured handle. Nice color. So we have got 3 eyeshadow brushes. And we also got, what would we call this? It doesn't say. So, like smaller powder brushes. That one might be good for contouring. And then that might be good for blush, I think. And then you got a nice carrying pod, which is good for travel, if we ever get to do that again. So that is our final item. Let's see what our value is. Actually, let's pick our favorites first. Right, favorites. I'm going to go with the vitamin C face cream. And then the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. Look at that. I'm picking the skincare first. And then the mascara. Then the peel-off mask. Then the OFRA palette. We got a lot of stuff in this box. Then the setting powder. The brushes. Probably tied. And then the eyeliner, just because I won't use it. I mean, it's probably a great one, but I just won't use it. Now let's get our, I can find my card, that is. I've lost it. Oh, here it is. All right, let's see what our value is. Holy moly, so our value is $495, I think. I have like the worst memory. So, let's get this box and I'll tell you how much everything costs. One of them was like, so the Viseart setting powder, $35. The Aceology mask was $69, so that is more than the price of my box. So we got our value. The brushes, $50. Guess how much this OFRA palette is? $149. That is excessively priced, so I hope it's worth it. I mean, I didn't pay for it, obviously, but so I'm definitely going to try it out and see what the quality is like. The Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, $116. So, like, both of these together are almost $200 or $300 value. And then the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body, $40. I thought that would actually be more expensive. And then the eyeliner is $14. That's a good price. And then the mascara, $22. So we definitely got our value. I will use everything in this box. If I had a use for eyeliner, I would use that as well. So I love the box when it comes with products I'll actually use and I'm excited about. I love a good peel mask. Nothing is more satisfying than that. And I do love a nice face moisturizer. I like this body moisturizer. The brushes always come in handy. Setting powder. I think I picked this. I think you can pick a couple of your items. So all in all, I liked this box, and that is a good because there's been a certain brand that's been in a lot of boxes that I've been really disappointed to get. And all of these are not that brand. So that's even a bonus for me because I am opinionated, in case you couldn't tell. But so that was December's Boxyluxe box. I really liked it, so thumbs up. I hope you liked it as well. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can click like down below. You can click here to go to, or here, to go to my channel and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. And then there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And as always, I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Bye.